And this is how dirty it is, boys. So we're cleaning it because it needs a clean. I think there's a scratch somewhere, or a scuff. I think it might be the other side, but yeah, it needs a good clean to be fair to it. That's it there. We need to get that sorted, see how it goes, and see if we can figure it out. Now we know how to use the foam sprayer. We're going to give that another go. Got the power washer and stuff ready. We're using the yard forward stuff and the Autoglim snow foam thing. Right boys, now we've rubbed the soap in, we're going to power wash it off and see how it comes out. Alright stuff boys, now time to use the Autoglim Aqua Wax. Give it a quick shine and then that should be all fine and dandy. There's that. Walk around the side of it for you. I need to give it another quick power wash, so I'll give it a quick power wash and then we'll do. There we go boys, all done, all Aqua Wax, so we'll see how it dries later. It should be looking nice, well better than it was before. So we're going to have to tackle with a cutting compound. These are the bits we're going to have to tackle with a cutting compound, as you can see there. The light scuff there, and then some of the chrome trim, but we'll see what we can do with that. Hopefully we can get them out, but it's come up pretty nice with the clean. So for the Toureg scratch we're going to use the cutting compound, then we're going to use this diamond black wax like polish, and then we'll use the Autoglim super resin polish after that. So these are the 3 steps we're going to use to see how that comes out, and we'll go from there. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.